Good morning, children. Sai Ram. How are you? Missing your school? Friends? Recess? Okay. Last time we have learned maths, right? In last session we have learned numbers 1 to 700. We have learned number names. We have learned also ascending, descending, even, odd, greater sign, smaller sign, equal sign. Okay, so many things we have learned, but you would like to do something new, right? So we will start maths project, that is for FA1. You have to submit that project after coming to school. Would you like to make maths project? Yes. So we'll start our maths project with one game. Now children, we are going to make snake and ladders in this project for even numbers, odd numbers, ascending order and descending order. Now you are going to take a cardboard or any sheet of paper. Now you are going to draw 10 horizontal and 10 vertical lines. Now you are going to write numbers from 1 to 100. Now you are going to start with one number. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. All finished? Okay. Now the next thing you are going to do, you are going to color all the odd numbers with the red color and the even numbers, that is with the yellow color. Odd numbers, that is ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, that are all odd numbers. You are going to color all red color. Now 2, 4, 6, 8, okay, these numbers, wherever these numbers are ending, you are going to color with yellow color. So we have learned here one concept, that is odd and even numbers, showing the colors on the snakes and ladder game. Okay. Now we are going to learn one more concept, that is ascending order and descending order. What we do in ascending order, children? We go from small number to big number. That is, we are going to climb the steps from down to up. Okay. In descending order, what we do? We climb down the steps. Okay. That is bigger number to smaller number. Now, children, we will draw ladders showing the ascending number in the project. First one. Now here can you see 10 number ladder, then it goes to 12 number, then it goes to 28. Means we are going smaller to bigger, one ladder. This is ascending order. Now come to the next one, children. Now what number can you see here? 21. Good. After that 39. After that 42. After that 58. Now what is this? This is ladder of, we are showing the ascending number. Numbers are 21, 39, 42, 58. Small, big, bigger, biggest. These all are ascending numbers. Okay, you followed ascending numbers, right? Now we will come to the next topic, that is descending order. Now can you see the snake up? What is the number here? 99. Then it goes to 83. Then it goes to 78. Then it goes to 77. Largest number, small, smaller, smallest. Okay, we are going down the steps. That is 99, 83, 78 and 77. Now we'll come next to the next one, that is 69, 67, 54, 47, 20, 36. Okay, now here we are climbing down the steps. Biggest number is 69. After that 67. After that 54. After that 47. And last number is 36. Okay. What is this? This is descending order. We are going down, 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 down. Now we will do one more descending order. Can you see a small snake? That is, the number is 17 and 5. So children, we have learned two concepts in this project. This project is FA1. Okay. All are going to submit this project after reopening the school. We have learned two concepts today, that is odd numbers with the red color, yellow color with even numbers, and showing the snakes for descending order and ladders of ascending numbers. Okay, you have learned two concepts using this project. You like the project? Yes. We will play a game preparing the project. Now we will do the recap. In the last session we have learned so many things. That is numbers 1 to 700. Okay, so we are going to learn, we are just going to do recap. That is numbers 1 to 700. Next one we are going to, we have done already the number names. That is 1 to 700. Now next we have done odd numbers. What is an odd number? Odd numbers are numbers that cannot be divided exactly into two pairs. For examples, number ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These are all odd numbers. Okay. Now next one is even numbers. What is even numbers? Even numbers are numbers that can be divided exactly into two pairs. Examples: numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. Now, what comes before? What comes before? A number just before any number which is 1 less than the previous number is a before number. What comes before 342? Tell me children, what comes before 342? 341. Good. Now next concept is what comes in between. What it comes in between? A number between any two numbers which is in the middle is a between number. What comes between 122 and 124? Tell me children. 123. Very good. What comes after? A number just after any number which is 1 more than the previous number is a after number. What comes after 553? 554. Very good. Now next topic is smaller number, smaller sign. Can you see the smaller sign there in the bracket? Yes. What is smaller sign? When one number is smaller than other number, we use smaller than sign. See in the bracket, can you see the smaller sign? Yes. Now 258 is smaller than 529. This we are writing in words. But how can we use the sign? See here, 258, you have to put the sign here. Put the sign, smaller sign. Very good. 258 is smaller than 529. Now greater number. Can you see this greater number sign shown on the screen? What is greater number? When one number is greater than other number, we use greater than sign. See the greater sign in the bracket. Now we will write in words. 687 is greater than 182. Now we are going to put the sign in the middle. So we have put the signs here. 687 is greater than 182. Now next we will come to the next topic, that is equal number. What is equal number? When one number is equal to other number, we use equal to sign. For example, in words we write 700 is equal to 700. Now we are going to put the sign, that is 700 is equal to 700. Our next topic is ascending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order means increasing order. You are climbing the steps from down to up. Now see here the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These all are ascending numbers. Smaller number to bigger number. Now next one we will come for the other topic, that is descending order. Descending order means what? Descending order means decreasing order. Now you can see the steps here will go down. That is, first comes 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are coming down the steps. Bigger number to smaller number. Okay. Our next topic is abacus. Would you like to do abacus? Now number, what can you read the number on the board? That is 5 to 7. 5 hundreds plus 2 tens plus 7 ones. Now we will draw the beads, okay, on the abacus to represent the following numbers. Can you see the drawing on the board? That is hundreds, tens, ones. Now what number is first one? 3. So we are going to draw 3 beads. Draw 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. Next 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one 1, 2. Okay. You all enjoy doing this abacus? Yes, very good. Now next one, we are going to do abacus, but we have to write the numbers. We have to count the beads on 100, tens, ones and show the number there. You have to write the number of abacus to represent the following beads. How many numbers beads are there in hundreds? 4. Write 4. Tens 3 and ones 1. So what is the number? 431. Now next topic is short form. Now here we have learned that 300 plus 70 plus 6 we have to write in short form. So how you are going to write? 300 means 3, 70 means 7 and 6 means 6. That is, 300 means you are going to write for hundreds 3 and tens 7 tens and ones is 6 ones. So 376. Now next topic we are going to learn expanded form. Now this same number you have to write in the expanded form. Now let me tell you, 2 is in hundreds place, again 2 is in tens place and 9 is in ones place. Now 200, so you will write 200 plus 2 tens means 20 plus 9 ones plus 9. This is expanded form. Bye bye children. Take care.